Do you want to create amazing handmade goodies? I believe everybody can make beautiful and jaw-dropping projects. All you need is to learn the basics of the supplies you have and how and when to use them correctly to create awesome projects. The Stencil 101 Complete Masterclass is one such course where you will learn 20 plus techniques using stencils. Stencil is one of the most economical and versatile product for crafters and artists. Because it is so easily available, it is one of the most coveted product for any crafter. Ease of availability, varied range of designs, and the out-of-box use are few of the reasons why it is so important to learn all you can about stencils. During this course, we'll have a detailed discussion on what are the basic supplies that you need along with stencils. Where should you as an artist invest in stencils and how to select a particular design. I will be sharing many brands of stencils that I own and where should I as an artist should have invested had I known better. But my loss is your gain. I bring in the knowledge of my 12 plus years of using stencil to the course. I hope now you have a fair bit of an idea of what this course is all about, and I'll see you in the course.